Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a notary affidavit online. First, understand that an affidavit is a sworn written statement of fact. For online notarization, you'll need a reliable internet connection, a device with a camera and microphone, and a valid government-issued identification. Ensure your document is prepared but unsigned, ready for the virtual session. This process offers convenience and legal validity. Before your online notarization, carefully draft your affidavit. Make sure all statements are truthful and precise, as you will be swearing to their accuracy. Gather any necessary supporting documents, like exhibits, that need to be attached. It is crucial that you do not sign the affidavit beforehand. Your signature must be witnessed by the online notary during the live video call. During your scheduled online session, you will connect with a commissioned notary public through a secure video platform. You'll present your valid government-issued identification, like a driver's license or passport, for identity verification. Once confirmed, you will electronically sign your affidavit while the notary observes. The notary then applies their official electronic seal and digital certificate, completing the notarization. After the session, you will receive your digitally signed and sealed affidavit. It's wise to verify the authenticity of the notary's digital certificate, often by clicking on the seal within the PDF. Store this electronic document securely and share it as required. Remember, online notarized documents hold the same legal weight as traditional paper notarizations in many jurisdictions, offering a convenient and legally sound solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.